festival for Eden. So I'm just so glad and excited about it.
One of your best films.
Eden is one of my best films. Thank you so much. So pinaghirapan din naman talaga, you know, we watched a lot of horror films, really prepared for the role. Siyempre, may trauma din siya behind, you know, like, so kailangan medyo kahit paano mapakita rin sa mga tao na may kinakarga rin siya, but at the same time, gusto niya rin tapuhan kung ano yung pinanggalingan niya. So, ayun, it's a balance of it.
How do you feel na Marco supporting him and all throughout parang this career high, no? Sa kanyang mga endeavor?
I mean, I'm really happy for her naman. Every time she is telling me about work, how tiring it can be sometimes. Siguro yun na lang ang mabibigay ko sa kanya is the care and making sure she gets food, making sure she feels safe.
Talagang inaalagaan.
Disney princess ka pa rin pala, ha? Kahit na walang nagbago.
Hindi lang Disney princess, Disney queen.
Disney, natatapakan na natin yung hair niya, oh.
Nakatali ka na sa Disney.
Oo.
From the reign in España up until today, the fans are just wild, dude. Like, how do you feel about the support of Marvin?
I mean, syempre nakakatuwa pa rin. Nakaka-in-love pa rin makita yung mga edit nila sa TikTok. And sometimes I even spend some nights telling her, oh, look at this video. Or she's the one showing. Nakakatuwa din naman talaga. Dahil sa pagmamahal namin, parang ang daming tao natutuwa. So,
Dami naming taong napapasaya. And at the same time, you know, it also pushes us to be better, you know, to be better actor.
yeah.
Diba? Kasi gusto namin magbigay ng quality sa kanila na hindi lang
Hindi lang love team. Like, gusto syempre namin na gumaling sa acting. Every role na ina-accept namin, sana parang may nabibigay kami ng bagong edge.
There's always something new, diba?
And speaking of that, Lumuhod na sa Lupa, magpa-finale week na, I heard you rapped already. How was the ride? How was the experience, of course, being in the action film, the action series?
So maganda siyang parang preparation since we're going to actually have a show series soon, an action series soon. So parang
request ni Direk sa amin parehas, especially her to have abs.
Yeah, like talagang paghahandaan namin
yung dalawa.
So ayun po.
Grabe, abs pala ang nyo, ang regalo nyo sa Marvin para sa action scene. Alam mo, ang hirap i-announce. Kasi
mahirap i-announce kasi ayaw ka namin din.
I-announce si Marco. Diba? Parang ang dali naman kasi ata ng Ballrock. Which is you're doing that.
I mean, look, I'm not gonna lie. It's easy to get big, but to get shredded, it's really hard. So kahit mukhang malaki, it takes a lot of work to have abs. Tapos, kung natural ka, alam naman ni Heaven, hindi basta-basta na kahit anong pwede mong kainin. Kahit talaga.
Discipline din naman. Pero we're just really excited for, you know, the upcoming series that we're going to do. So, yeah.
Wow! Anong share niyo so far? Kailan ang rolling? Kailan ang target air date?
So we can't say that yet, but hopefully this year, yes, soon. We're preparing, example, like shot boxing, ako Muay Thai. So it's gonna be an intense talaga.
Yeah.
Wow!
A different Marvin.
Ito siguro yung pinaka-action na ako ever.
Yes.
Then,
Yes.
Ano kasi wala pa pumapasok sa parang love in tas action?
Diba?
Diba? So parang ano to mas, well, you've shown a bit of another side of yourselves in Terrain in España, but what kind of Marvin will we see you?
Mr. and Mrs. Smith.
Bakbakan niyo.
Ayoko na magsalita baka.
Baka mas lit
Yun na.
If I keep talking, MJ.
Ako na lang share ni Marco. Wait lang, so kailan pala yung New York?
July. So, yeah, preparing na. Let's see how it goes. Pero ayun, looking forward.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. Photo lang ka.
Wait, ako na
Mapansin ko, hindi kayo takot mag-explore. Bakit kayo?
Biro niya.
Mag-explore?
Yeah,
Character.
iba't ibang genres.
Papakawala ko ng biro.
Part na rin ng bilang aktor na hindi mag-cage sa isang genre. Diba? So, it's a good challenge. And maganda siya para to ignite you eh. Kasi kung paulit-ulit mong ginagawa, wala nang passion, you know? Wala nang fire, kumbaga.
How do you keep the fire alive?
In our relationship or in our career?
Pwede mo.
Correct.
Both ways kasi ang hirap eh. Parang it's hard because this is your work and you have the same work and you're in a relationship. Alam mo?
And you're always together.
Oh!
You know, actually, good question. But we always do something new together, like, ganun, make trips kami, or something that would make us better, or like gyms, or going, you know, and parang, we just want to be better for each other. And also at the same time, we just want to also explore individually and together. So, hindi siya caged relationship.
How do you resolve fights? Siyempre matagal na kayo. How do you resolve fights?
I think in the very beginning of our time together, parang nagka-problema tayo makipag-usap sa isa't isa. Pero communication problems. Tapos over time, parang na-realize namin na, of course, teammate kami dito. But, you know, we were forgetting na kailangan natin yung isa't isa para maayos. Kahit yung pride dapat
Ibaba.
ibaba.
Very mature.
Mature na.
Mature.
Very mature. Grabe.
Mature.
Isa.
Yes.
No.
Yes, totoo naman yun.
Feeling ko recently na nakukuha ko na yung kiliti mo kung paano pakalman.
Yeah! Wait, nagkakaroon ba katagal?
Secret!
In Espanya, kailan ba yun? Or kailan kayo natigil?
3 years ago.
Basta hindi siya during the raid in Espanya. Yeah, 3 years ago na ata yung
Grabe,
raid.
pandemic. After pandemic.
After pandemic. So, basta, you know, we made sure na hindi nga talaga dahil sa the raid. I mean, nakakatuwa kasi doon kami nag-connect. Pero, hindi kami na in love kasi dahil kay Lilan ka.
Tagal na natin, mahal.
Picture lang.
Thank you.
Together.
Thank you.
Yes!
Sige, kakahana muna.
Picture lang. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa 1, 2, 3.
Here, Marvin. 1, 2, 3. Selfie, guys.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Ako din.
Thank you, guys.
The picture, ito na. Ito na. Guys, ito na para sa mga fans ng Marvin. Ito na po sila. Abangan niyo yung ating panayam. Oh my gosh, ang dami nag-request.
Oh, thank
Love
you.
it.
Photo.
How are you?
Marvin, here. That's you guys want to. Thank you. Kasi,
We're working on it. Diba?
Tsaka reassurance din yun. Kasi parang kahit sa hirap at gitnawa,
Yeah.
we're gonna be working on things.
So, kaya pala, Fiancé, tama yung nasoko, di ba nasoko kayo ng fans? Na Fiancé yung pangalan niya sa phone mo. So, totoo na yun. Promise to be a... ano yun?
Okay na
Okay
po
na
tayo.
yan.
Okay na po.
Basta may dahon na.
Basta masaya po.
Dahon ring.
So, opo.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Thank you everyone.
photo na lang.